Dance can teach us a lot about our relationship with nature, and dancers experience body and place in a different way than non-dancers. Through their training and practice, they develop highly tuned and aware bodies that read, respond, and recognize the interconnections between the body and the natural world. The field of dance has remained largely undiscovered, and the discourse about preserving and cultivating human relationships with nature. This could be due to a lack of field awareness or the dance's failure to communicate the depth of its knowledge in this area. However, we can learn a lot from the ways dancers know and work with nature, and it reminds us that more actions are needed to help people find ways to foster meaningful connections with the natural world. If we dance on a rock terrain, the movements bring our awareness to the strength and versatility of the bones and to the body's capacity for resistance and stability. In the blue spaces, it tells us of the tides of change and of the water that makes up the body and the rhythmic pulse of our life force. Dancing between plants and trees helps us to work with concept of verticality, about the cycle of life and the connection between earth and sky. Reminds us of our vitality, our breath, and the flow of energy needed to fill space. Nature offers a freedom and playfulness that reminds us of our childhood. We just need to learn to listen to it. These are not just concepts understood in the field of dance, but above all, speaking to how the relationships we develop with the landscape change and shape us, heal, and offer us a sense of identity and meaning. Do dance outdoors, whether on the beach, in the mountains, on the streets of the big cities. Dance provides rich feedback in which the dancer can feel his connection to nature and the spontaneous joy of the creative gesture.